Now, it doesn't matter which package you get, you're going to get exactly what you need for pretty much every setup. Now, I'm specifically reviewing the D2, which is the 2 channels to 1 receiver unit. And basically, it gives me both of the transmitters that have a built-in microphone. It's got 2 wired lavalier mics, which are actually quite good. The wire is actually pretty robust, so I'm not afraid of it ripping. You get a wind muff, which is awesome. It can go onto your built-in microphone, or if you want to, you can kind of finagle it into your wired lavalier microphone. And lastly, you do have cables whether you're going into a DSLR camera or you're going into a smartphone. Now, alternatively, Comica has sent me out their attenuator cable because if you're using a Panasonic GH5 or a Sony a7 III, the mic preamp is actually much more sensitive than before, and the Comica receiver out of the box, it's actually pretty loud. So you might need that attenuator cable if you plan to go directly into your camera. Now let's go over the feature set because the Comica BoomX-D, it's got one major standout feature. And obviously, it's the fact that you can use 2 transmitters to 1 receiver, but not only that, yes, you can actually split it into a stereo channel. So 1 transmitter will be on the left channel, 1 will be on the right channel. This is something the Saramonic Blink 500 could not do, but the Comica BoomX-D is doing it at the same price point.